Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Mathematics material. Today the topic is finding the nature of the roots by using discriminant. What is discriminant? If you remember the quadratic formula, we have a quadratic formula minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac under root over 2a. This is quadratic formula for any variable x. So quadratic formula. If roots of the quadratic equation depends upon this expression, therefore this expression is called discriminant. Discriminant means it differentiates between them. How? Look at here. So discriminant, we have this discriminant. This is called discriminant. Okay. So it is quadratic formula. Here this b square minus 4ac which comes under the square root, this is called discriminant. And how it is helpful for us to find out the nature of the roots without solving the equation, we are now going to learn it. 2x square minus 7x plus 1 equals to 0, and now we are asked to find the nature of the roots. So how we will proceed? We will proceed in the same way as we do for putting the values in the quadratic equation. Here only we will put the values a, b and c in this discriminant. So here we will write here we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 1. Okay, so putting these values in this discriminant, so we will find the value of discriminant. B, we have minus 7, so minus 7 square. I am directly putting the values in this equation, in this discriminant equation. So where b minus 7, so minus 7 square minus 4 into value of a, we have a 2, so 2 into c is 1. So what will be the result? Minus 7 square is equal to 49 minus 4 2s are 8 and 8 1s are 8. So 49 minus 8, we get here 41. So 41 is the discriminant. Okay, this is our answer. Now we have got value of discriminant here. Now how we know what is the nature of the roots of this quadratic equation? So there are 4 rules. Number 1 rule is if b square minus 4ac means discriminant is greater than 0 and a perfect square if we have b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and a perfect square, then roots of the given quadratic equation are rational and unequal. Then second, if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and not a perfect square then the roots are irrational and unequal. This is rule number 2, that if, like here we have solved this example, we have got discriminant that is equal to 41. So 41 is greater than 0 is a positive number, but it is not a perfect square. So it means the roots of this quadratic equation are irrational and unequal. Okay. Then number third rule is, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that is equal to 0, then the roots are rational and equal. Then the roots are rational and equal when discriminant is equal to, exactly equal to 0. And the last one is, if b square minus 4ac is smaller than 0. Smaller than 0 means it is a negative number. We have found the discriminant and the answer is a negative number. Okay, then the roots are what are the roots? Then roots are imaginary numbers. Imaginary numbers. Okay, then roots are imaginary, means complex conjugates. Then roots are imaginary. Got it? So these are the 4 rules with the help of which we can find out what is the nature of the roots of those given quadratic equations. Okay, I think you have understood it.